Hey, John here with Real Hard Reviews, and today we have the BP51 from Silicon Power. This is an in-ear, as they claim, exercise headset. So it does wrap around your ears, and is actually excessively comfortable. I've been testing out a lot of Bluetooth headsets as of late, and I will have a lot more Bluetooth headphone reviews coming up over the next little bit. The packaging is quite flashy, and looks like a standard $50 headset, but this headset only comes in at 25 USD, and I found it as low as 15 USD. As you can see, the packaging is quite nice. Once you open it up, it tells you all about the headset. Kind of wish they would have sealed it from the inside so that when people could just open it up to read all about it while they're in store if they're browsing. But it does look very nice, and it is very well packaged. You have zero fears that your BP51 is going to get damaged at all in shipping. The BP51, again, is a very lightweight, comfortable headset. It features on-ear volume controls, synchronization, answering of the phone, hanging up, as you should with any Bluetooth headset, and with a multi-button that will allow you to go song forward, song back. If you're using the volume up and down, holding them, they will allow you to go back and forth on the next songs, which is kind of cool. Syncing them up is rather easy. They're not sleeved or anything like that, so they're definitely lowered their cost that way by just keeping it in the $25 price range. They are extremely light. They do charge quite quickly. I believe they say they last about 4 hours. I was getting on average 6, and that was at high volume in a loud room, so I was quite impressed with this. They come with a standard instruction manual, and a USB charge cable. They are very, very nice. This is what really impressed me. I was going to do dual reviews here of another SP headset as well, but trying this one out second, I really did enjoy the quality of this headset. It does come with extra earbuds for obviously your small, medium, large ears, which is great to see, as well as a USB charge cable, which I kind of got to complain is a little short. The in-ear earbuds are comfortable. They're soft, a little spongy, which as they should be. I have no complaints with those whatsoever. There really is not a whole lot I can complain about this. Sleeve cables would be nice, but there's nothing you can do about that at this price point. A longer USB cable would be nice, as well as the fact that I would love to be able to charge this headset while I use it, but you can't do that. It is just Bluetooth. It does also come with a little cable management clip, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen this with any other headset. With that, let's jump right into the microphone test. As you can now hear, I'm using the BP51 from Silicon Power microphone itself. This is an in-ear headset, so obviously you're going to have the standard pitfalls of a Bluetooth headset in-ear. It's going to have that little bit of a plasticky tinge to it, but it does cut out background noises very well. I noticed that the moment I stop talking, there's pure silence. Pretty cool. So I do find its noise cancellation as well as just the background fuzz a lot better than some of the other headsets out there. With that, the mic is just somewhat decent. But let's jump into the rest of the review. So with that, do we recommend the BP51? Definitely. The audio and sound is actually phenomenal, more of around $100 range. They sound quite nice. The highs are beautiful, the voices are crisp and clear, and the bass is not overpowering. With a nice 6-hour battery life, at least, and very good range, the BP51 gets my recommended for sure. I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.